17 minutes after 11, want to check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello back here in North Alabama. We're really blessed with a beautiful day ahead, Grace.
Oh man, absolutely beautiful, Megan, especially after such a frigid morning. We are warming up this afternoon. I'll let you know how warm we'll get. Plus, I'm tracking our next weather maker that will be here before you know it. I'm also going to get you a look at your weekend forecast preview coming up in just a few minutes here. All right, the WATE 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network at 11:18 is completely dry. Soak it up today while you can, because this is all going to change in just a few days' time. Take a look at our Sky Camera network powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. It is beautiful blue that's overhead for each and every one of us, with not even really a cloud in the sky. I mean, maybe one or two, but for the most part it is just that blue, and we're looking absolutely beautiful and feeling a little bit chilly, but still pleasant for this time of year. By the time we get just past lunch at 12:30, Huntsville, you'll be at 62 degrees, 63 over in the Shoals, and Coleman, you're just a touch cooler at 61 degrees. So you'll need the light jacket, but you won't need that winter coat that you needed this morning, and you can leave those gloves at home as well. The good news is the sunshine's going to stay with us in plentiful amount as we head through the rest of the afternoon. Those high temperatures will sit in the low 60s for us and really not change much more than that. Now, we are going to cool off again tonight, but nowhere near as cold as we got last night. By the time we get to 9 p.m., we're still in the upper 50s and feeling quite comfortable at that point as well. So all in all, a beautiful day for your Tuesday. Now, by the time we get to Thursday, there's a big change in the forecast. Many of our more southern and eastern counties are in a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Parts of the Shoals, as well as some of our southwestern Tennessee counties, you're in a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what that means for your Thursday forecast. This is all coming to us ahead of a low pressure system that's pushing east of Arkansas and Missouri over the river and eventually making its way here to us in the Tennessee Valley. Now, it's going to bring heavy rain to our region on Thursday, and what will come behind is some very chilly temperatures that really bring us much closer to that seasonal average. Now, it all starts first thing in the morning on Thursday. We'll start to see rain in the Shoals between 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning, impacting the I-65 corridor, including Madison County by 10 and 11 a.m. And then just when we head into lunchtime between 12 and 1, we'll start to see that rain hit Sand Mountain. So really, it's a morning and an afternoon event with the potential for severe weather. Let me walk you through exactly what we're looking at. So here we are at 9 a.m. in the Shoals. We're starting to see bands of heavy rain. Now, this one band along that frontal boundary is what we're going to track as moving. By the time we get to noon, pushing east of the corridor and into Sand Mountain. But that means if you're on your commute and you're in some of our southern counties at noon, expect to have impacted roadways and heavy rain during your lunchtime commute. Now, the good news is this is a fast-moving system. So by the time we get to 3 o'clock on Thursday, that's going to be pushed into Georgia. And we'll still see some sprinkles in our area, but for the most part, cloud cover and heavy rain is going to be out of the forecast for us. By the time we get to overnight on Thursday, we do have more clouds in the forecast, but no rain on Thursday night. What I'm watching for the most part is gusty winds. Now, there is a low but not zero chance of tornadoes. So of course we'll continue to monitor that. The good news is this is a quick moving system, so the heavy rain potential is there, but we're not going to see any flash flooding because it will be moving very quickly. So soak up today's sunshine while you can, and warmer temperatures. Thursday is going to be muggy and very soggy. Make sure you have a way to get updates in case we have severe weather coming our way. We'll be sure to keep you updated on that. The good news is by the time we get to next weekend, we have a little bit cooler temperatures, but plenty of sunshine back in our forecast.